Imagine a world where your desktop literally disappears, but its power rivals the most expensive workstations on the planet. For years, the Mac Mini was the budget option, the entry-level machine for those who wanted Mac OS without the MacBook price tag. But in 2026, the game hasn't just changed. The board has been flipped, burned, and replaced with something entirely alien. We are standing on the precipice of the M5 era, and the latest leak suggests that Apple is about to drop a Mac Mini that makes the current M4 Pro look like a calculator. The rumors coming out of Cupertino and the supply chain in Taiwan are painting a picture of a machine that defies the laws of physics. We're talking about the introduction of fusion architecture into the consumer space, a leap in AI processing that we haven't seen since the transition from Intel to Apple Silicon, and a thermal design that shouldn't be possible in a chassis this small. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. If you've been hovering your mouse over the Buy Now button for a Mac Mini or even a Mac Studio lately, you need to stop. The M5 Mac Mini is rumored to be the biggest value-for-money upset in Apple's history. And today we're going to deconstruct every single leak, every benchmark, and every secret internal file that has surfaced about this 2026 powerhouse. The heart of the story is the M5 chip itself. While the world was obsessed with the 3nm process, Apple has reportedly mastered the N3P process with TSMC, allowing for a density of transistors that makes previous chips look like city blocks compared to high-rise metropolises. This isn't just a spec bump. It's a total reimagining of how a desktop processor handles supercores. According to leaked internal documents, the M5 Pro inside the 2026 Mac Mini will feature a 18-core CPU. But here's the kicker. It's doing away with the traditional efficiency core-heavy design for what's being called the 10-wide architecture. This means the front-end bandwidth is wide enough to push single-core speeds past 4.6 GHz. Potentially giving it the title of the fastest single-threaded performance of any consumer chip in the world. For the US creative professional, the video editors, the developers, the 3D artists, this translates to a machine that feels instantaneous. But why should you care if you're just a casual user? Because for the first time in years, Apple is reportedly killing the 256GB base model. The 2026 Mac Mini is expected to start with 512GB of ultra-fast SSD storage as the bare minimum. And we aren't talking about standard SSD speeds. We're looking at up to 14.5GB per second read and write performance. That's twice as fast as the previous generation. Let's talk about the Fusion architecture, because this is where the M5 Mac Mini starts to eat the Mac Studio's lunch. This technology, which was once reserved for the Ultra Series chips, essentially allows two dies to act as one single, cohesive unit on the SoC. By bringing this to the M5 Pro, the Mac Mini can now handle multi-threaded workloads with a level of efficiency that was previously impossible without a massive cooling fan. This leads us to the AI revolution. In 2026, Apple Intelligence isn't just a marketing buzzword anymore. It's the backbone of macOS Tahoe. The M5 chip is leaked to include a dedicated neural accelerator inside every single GPU core. This isn't just a separate neural engine. It's integrated intelligence that allows for a 4x jump in AI compute power. Imagine rendering a 4K video where the AI upscaling happens in real time, or running large language models locally on your desk without the fans even spinning up. This is what the M5 Mac Mini is designed for. It's the first true AI PC from Apple that doesn't require you to spend $4,000. Now, I know what you're thinking. What about the design? We saw a major redesign in 2024, so the 2026 model will likely retain that ultra-compact footprint, but with a twist in connectivity. The leaks suggest that the M5 Pro variant will feature Thunderbolt 5 across the board. If you're a power user in the US, you know that Thunderbolt 5 is the holy grail. It doubles the bandwidth of Thunderbolt 4, allowing for up to 120 gigabits per second. This means you can run multiple 8K displays or a massive RAID array of external drives with zero bottlenecking. Even the base M5 model is rumored to get a significant RT upgrade. Finally moving to the N1 wireless chip, which brings Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6 to the desktop. No more laggy wireless peripherals, no more stuttering during high bitrate streaming. It's the ultimate hub for a modern, clean desk setup. Price-wise, the rumors are a bit of a roller coaster. Because Apple is doubling the base storage and including more expensive Wi-Fi 7 components, there is talk of a slight price hike. We might see the base model move from $599 to $699, but when you consider that you're getting 512 gigabytes of storage and a chip that beats last year's $2,000 machines, the value proposition is still insane. The release window. All signs point to a June 2024 reveal at WWDC with a midsummer launch. Supply chain reports indicate that Amazon and other major U.S. retailers are already seeing stock fluctuations on older models, which is a classic sign that Apple is clearing the runway for the M5. This machine is being positioned as the Mac Studio for the rest of us. It's compact, it's silent, and it's arguably the most powerful piece of technology you can put on your desk for under $1,000. As we look toward the end of 2026, the M5 Mac Mini represents a turning point. It's the moment where the Mini name finally stops referring to its performance and only refers to its size. Whether you're a student looking for a computer that will last through a PhD or a pro editor looking for a portable powerhouse, the M5 leak suggests that waiting just a few more months might be the smartest tech move you make this year. The era of the super core is here, and it fits in the palm of your hand. Stay tuned as we continue to track every bit of data coming out of the Apple ecosystem.